Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing access. Add an SSH key and enable 2FA, then create a dedicated security repo. Explain why. Isolating tools and reports avoids clutter and leakage. Once created, add a README, code owners, and gitignore tailored to sensitive files. Make sure to protect main and enable branch protections so accidental pushes don't expose data. Now push an initial commit and verify permissions. This sets a secure baseline before adding scans, secrets detection, or CI workflows. You implement automated defenses. Create GitHub actions to run SAST, dependency scans, and linters on push and PR. Explain why. Automation finds issues early and reduces human error. Once done, enable secret scanning and require signed commits for critical branches to keep provenance intact. Now configure Dependabot and configure alert routing to a triage channel. Make sure PR templates and label rules enforce security review and include reproduction steps so reviewers can quickly validate and remediate findings. You finish by codifying processes, add incident response playbooks, contributor security policies, and runbooks so collaborators know how to act. Explain why. Written procedures speed response and preserve institutional knowledge. Once done, schedule periodic audits and backup repository settings or export an org policy snapshot. If something breaks, start with common fixes. Check GitHub Actions runner permissions, workflow tokens, and recent secret or permission changes. Make sure to revert test changes in a dev branch before restoring production protections to avoid repeating the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.